Let's watch this top Filipino engineers and architects in Saudi Arabia and Bahrain 2025. A round of applause to everyone. Maraming salamat po muli. Is a seasoned senior mechanical engineer at WSP Middle East with extensive experience in design and construction supervision of mechanical systems across major infrastructure and building projects in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Let's put our hands together for TFT Watchlist Awards Top Filipino Engineers and Architects in Saudi Arabia and Bahrain 2025 awardee, Marlon A. Gaputan. Our next recipient is Russell M. Leavitt. Engineer Russell M. Leavitt is a highly respected mechanical constructor by the Filipino Times. Last but not the least, we have our TFT Watchlist awardees from the field of electronic engineering. May we invite to join us on stage our judges in
like to give the floor for the family and friends to take photo, as many as you can. Presenting to you, 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, official photo. The photo. Ayan. Can we have one video?
We are the top Filipino engineers and architects in Saudi Arabia and Bahrain 2025!
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for the top Filipino engineers and architects in Saudi Arabia. Wait! Meron pa tayong gagawin. Sir, doon kayo haharap. Tapos kasama niyo yung family and friends.